Alright, this is your lecture on your sample outline for your literary analysis. Now this is a Word document, so that means that you can use this and just plug in your information. You can put your name where this name is. Remember to take the word name out and put your name in there, okay? You can leave Weisenberger, you can leave English 101, you can use this essay. On the due date, put the actual due date here. Take due date, the word due date out. Remember that the date should be put in, like today is the 14th. So you would put 14 space March space 2021. In that case, all you would change would be the actual date for due date. You would put your title here. You would, under thesis and essay map, you would just click here, put a space, then write your thesis and essay map out here. All right, number one, you want to put your title here. You want to make it a catchy little title, okay. Number two, this outline's a little different. You're going to leave this paragraph 1 introduction, use HatMat. You're going to leave that just the way it is. HatMat. H-A-T-M-A-T. Okay, see HatMat? You're going to put your hook. That's going to be what draws your reader in. You're going to identify the author of the story that you've chosen. You want to identify the title. Now, you can do this in one sentence, okay? But it's written this way so that you don't forget that you need to identify the author and the title of the book the short story you've chosen. You want to say some things about the main characters or main character, according to which one you have chosen. You want to give a little short summary. When I say short summary, I mean a couple of sentences here. Do not re-summarize the story. Remember that you are to act like I have read the story or your peers have read the story. We have. So you don't want to go overboard with this summary section, okay? Then you're going to write your thesis and your essay map here. All right? I would suggest there'd be a little G here. Just my suggestion, where you have your transition sentence to go into your next paragraph. All right? This is your first body paragraph. Leave 3 alone. Just leave it alone. All right, you're going to have your topic sentence, what this paragraph will discuss, and how it will prove your thesis. All right, you'll take what that says out, but that's what that's going to be. You understand? All right, context for the quote is you want to put your quote in. You want to tell us what the context is for it. You want to tell us who says it, what's happening in the text when they say it. And then you're going to put the quote for the text, cited appropriately. Remember, you have to put the page number in parentheses at the end. Remember that when you are doing that, you're going to write the quote out. Remember your quotation marks. Put the period after the quote, the parentheses, okay? Analysis of the quote. How does it prove your thesis? That's what goes after that. Then you're going to put a closing sentence here. Wrap up the paragraph to effectively transition to the next paragraph. All right. All of these paragraphs here are going to be exactly the same for your body paragraphs. All right. Then you're going to have your conclusion. You do not necessarily have to follow this order, but include the following. You want to summarize your argument. You want to extend the argument. That means like your eureka moment. Why is this important? Show why the text is important. You want to extend this argument. Why is it important to you? Why do you care? What's it matter? Okay, that's your eureka statement. Okay, so that's pretty much how this works. Again, you can just plug in your information here. If you need to, put your cursor in front of it, write your quote out, then erase that part at the end if you need to keep it there for a reminder until you've finished with that section, and then delete it. Okay, if that helps you remember what you're doing, with that piece. Okay, just put your cursor in front of it. Put your cursor in front of it. Okay, I know I need to analyze this quote. And how does it prove my thesis? So write what you need to write in front of that, and then you can delete that part if you need to do that so that you can remember what it is you're doing at that intersection, okay? So that's how that works. Real short, simple, easy. No problems, okay? If you have any questions, you know what to do. Email me, text me, call me. Do it, do it, do it. Don't sit there being confused whenever you can clear it up. All right, bye guys.